Oscar's first attempts at crawling. You got it! Try again, buddy. Oops. I caught you just for a second. I just caught you only for a second. Why didn't you roll over and try again? Why don't you roll over and try again, buddy? Do it. Come on. Come on, buddy. Apparently he wants to play with this thing. Come on, honey. You're so strong. See if I can entice him. Come over here and get this. Get Cheerio, bug. Come on, buddy. Oscar. Oscar! Oscar! Hey! Look! Remote control. There it is. Come on and get it. Come on and get it. You can do it. You can do it. You get up on your knees and you try, okay? Come on. Or you just do that. That's fine too. Good boy. It's just army crawling. Good boy. Don't get frustrated. Oh. You're doing very well. Ah, yes. There it is, right on your belly. Got it. The masked man. All right, good boy. Success.